Hey everybody, Sean Hatzel here with Get Lean in 12, and inside today's video I'm going to share a delicious anti-inflammatory keto bite recipe with you, and I have one of them right here. We call these keto bites, and most people think that you cannot have carbohydrates in a ketogenic diet, but truth be told, if it's resistant starches like rolled oats, and as long as they are not cooked and they are raw, like is found inside this delicious bite I have right here, then these starches don't affect insulin levels because they pass through the small intestine and go directly to the colon, where they're converted into healthy bacteria that helps feed the gut and the digestive health. And our digestive health is 80% of our immune system. So the first staple ingredient inside these delicious balls that'll take you about 8 to 10 minutes to make is 1.5 cups of rolled oats. Because of the resistant starch inside those oats, they are ketogenic diet friendly. The second ingredient is 5 scoops, which is approximately 20 grams per scoop of protein powder. I'm a huge fan of BioTrust Low Carb because it is grass-fed, it has natural sweeteners, it has added fiber, it's cool temperature processed, and has enzymes in it to help you break down the protein. However, you can use any one of your favorite flavored protein powders because people who have more protein in their diet lose more weight than those who don't, and they also have less nighttime cravings. So it's in your best interest to add more protein to your diet. One of the easiest ways to do that is to use protein powder, which is a staple in this recipe. This right here was a chocolate peanut butter flavored protein powder from BioTrust Low Carb. Third ingredient is a 1/2 cup of raw pumpkin seeds, which are very anti-inflammatory friendly. And pumpkin seeds have also been shown to help with testosterone production. And of course, this will help you lose more weight. Even if you're a female, you want to optimize the correct testosterone to estrogen ratio. Just make sure that they are raw, because some research shows that if you're getting roasted pumpkin seeds, that roasting process can damage a lot of the friendly fats inside those. The next ingredient is a 1/2 teaspoon or tablespoon of cinnamon. Then we have a 1/2 cup of raw nut butter. Again, going raw. Make sure you go raw because some over-the-counter peanut butters actually contain trans fats, which are linked to visceral belly fat and many of today's modern health challenges. So the solution is to buy a raw nut butter because it has lots of monosaturated fats in it. Just remember, you could use peanut butter, you could use almond butter, you could use cashew butter, but make sure that it's raw and doesn't have added sugars. Next one is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now, there is a plethora of studies and research showing the benefits of adding this healthy saturated fat to your diet. It's been linked with reduced levels of belly fat, reduced levels of risk of Alzheimer's disease, and it also has amazing immune boosting properties. The next ingredient is 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar. This is obviously to sweeten things up. Now keep in mind, 3 tablespoons spread out throughout this entire recipe is not a lot. So you're going to have a very minimal amount of sugar, and it's going to be from a healthy sugar source like coconuts. Next one is 6 tablespoons of non-flavored coconut or almond milk. Now you might have to reduce or increase the amount of milk that you use depending on the consistency. So you're just going to simply take all this stuff, you're going to put it into a bowl, and you're just going to grab your hands and you're just going to mix it up and make a mess. And get ready, you'll have about a ball on your hands by the time you're done. You'll be licking it off. But it is amazing. And when you eat one of these, you get all these amazing benefits of resistant starches, added protein, the friendly fats from the pumpkin seeds and the nut butter and the coconut oil, and you have a delicious fat-burning treat that's actually healthy. So I will post an image below of all the ingredients found in here, and then I'll also post an image of this whiteboard below too, so you have you can save this to your desktop and actually give it a shot. Let us know how you like it. If you got something out of this, throw me some likes, throw me some love, some hearts. Drop a comment if you have questions. And then, as always, as a special gift for taking time out of your busy day to watch my videos, I put a link right above or beside this video. You can click to download our free report called the Over 40 Stubborn Fat Solution. It is a 12-minute metabolic protocol that my wife Karen and I have used for years to look years younger than our real age and help us burn more belly fat in only 12 minutes per day. So thanks for watching this, and keep going strong.